Imagine walking next to a creature so big it could look into a second-story window without even trying. Now, think about animals so huge they make a full-grown elephant look small. Welcome to our journey through the world of giants, where we'll meet the top 10 biggest animals that have ever roamed the earth. From the long-necked giraffes that graze the African savannas to the massive blue whales that rule the oceans, this countdown has it all. And it's not just the living giants. We're also stepping back in time to when dinosaurs towered over the land and prehistoric sea monsters ruled the depths. So get ready to be amazed as we start our countdown from the mighty African elephant all the way to the colossal ocean sunfish. Let's dive into the incredible world of these enormous animals and find out who claims the title of the biggest of them all. Number 10, the African elephant. At number 10, we have the African elephant, the largest land animal alive today. These gentle giants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. That's as heavy as 3 big trucks. They have huge ears that look like the shape of Africa, which they flap to stay cool in the hot sun. Their long trunks are really strong and can lift heavy things, even big tree branches. African elephants are smart too. They remember places and friends for many years. They live in groups and wander around the forests and grasslands of Africa, munching on plants and splashing in water. Sadly, they need our help because their homes are getting smaller and some people hunt them for their tusks. Number 9, the blue whale. Diving into number 9, the blue whale is the biggest animal that's ever lived, even bigger than the largest dinosaurs. These ocean giants can grow to be as long as a basketball court and weigh as much as 25 elephants put together. They have a heart the size of a small car, and their big mouth can hold up to 90 tons of water and food. Blue whales are mostly found in deep oceans and can be seen swimming alone or in pairs. They're not just big, they're also loud, making calls that other whales can hear miles away. But they're gentle and eat tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Number 8, the giraffe. At number 8 stands the giraffe, the tallest living animal on land. Their long necks help them reach leaves high up in trees that no other animals can get to. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than most humans, about 6 feet. They have a special pattern on their coat that is as unique as a fingerprint. Giraffes live in Africa and spend most of their time eating, needing to munch on hundreds of pounds of leaves each week. They don't sleep much, only a few minutes at a time, and they're always on the lookout for lions and other predators. Despite their size, they can run really fast and are very good at protecting themselves. Number 7, the Argentinosaurus. Stepping back in time to number 7, we meet the Argentinosaurus, a true giant of the dinosaur world. This massive plant eater lived around 95 million years ago and is one of the largest land animals ever discovered. Scientists believe they could grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 10 blue whales. They had long necks to reach high trees and strong legs to support their huge bodies. Even though they were so big, they had to watch out for meat-eating dinosaurs. The Argentinosaurus left behind big fossils like giant leg bones that help us understand how enormous they really were. Number 6, the Spinosaurus. At number 6 comes the Spinosaurus, the largest carnivorous dinosaur we know of. It was even bigger than the famous T-Rex. The Spinosaurus lived about 95 to 93 million years ago and could grow up to 59 feet long. They had a unique sail on their back made of long spines, which might have helped them control their body temperature or attract mates. Unlike many other big dinosaurs, the Spinosaurus loved water and was a great swimmer. It ate fish and probably hunted in rivers and lakes. Fossils with sharp teeth and strong claws tell us that the Spinosaurus was a fierce predator in its time. Number 5, the colossal squid. At number 5, we find the mysterious colossal squid, the biggest squid in the sea. These sea monsters can grow up to 46 feet long and have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, about the size of a soccer ball. They live deep in the cold waters where it's very dark, and they use their huge tentacles to catch fish and even battle whales. Not many people have seen a colossal squid because because they live so deep, but sometimes they wash up on beaches, and that's how we know about them. They're really strong and can pull their food down to the depths where they live. Number 4, the Megalodon. Moving to number 4, the Megalodon was a giant shark that swam in the oceans about 23 to 3.6 million years ago. It was 3 times as long as the biggest great white shark, with teeth about the size of a hand. The Megalodon was the top predator in the ocean and could eat whales thanks to its powerful jaws. Some people think it looked like a huge, bulky version of a great white shark. We know about the Megalodon mostly because of the big teeth it left behind. These teeth tell us that it was one of the most powerful animals in the sea. Number 3, the Paraceratherium. At number 3 is the Paraceratherium, a giant rhino without a horn and the largest land mammal that ever lived. It roamed Asia about 34 to 23 million years ago. This huge creature could reach over 16 feet tall at the shoulder, taller than a basketball hoop. It had a long neck to reach tree leaves and weighed as much as 4 African elephants. The Paraceratherium's size meant few predators dared to attack it. It lived in open woodlands and ate lots of plants every day. Scientists have pieced together what it looked like from big bones found in places like Pakistan and China. Number 2, the Quetzalcoatlus. Soaring into number 2, the Quetzalcoatlus was one of the biggest flying animals of all time. With a wingspan up to 36 feet, it was as wide as a small airplane. This giant pterosaur lived around 68 million years ago and was named after an Aztec feathered serpent god. It probably glided over ancient lakes and picked up fish and small animals to eat. The Quetzalcoatlus had a long, stiff neck and a sharp beak. Even though it was so big, it was light enough to fly. Fossils found in Texas give us clues about how it lived and hunted in the skies. Number 1, the ocean sunfish, Mola Mola. Topping our list at number 1 is the ocean sunfish, also known as the Mola Mola. This bizarre looking fish is the heaviest bony fish in the world, weighing as much as a small car. The Mola Mola can be as tall as it is long, making it look like a big floating head with fins. It spends its time lazily drifting in the ocean, munching on jellyfish. Despite its size, it's harmless to people and can often be seen basking in the sun near the surface of the water, which is how it got its name. The ocean sunfish is a true ocean wanderer and a gentle giant of the sea. And there you have it, the top 10 biggest animals in the world, from the mighty African elephant to the peculiar ocean sunfish. These creatures show us just how varied and fascinating life on our planet can be. Some of them are still with us, while others are only known from bones and fossils. But each one has a story that amazes us and reminds us of the wonders of the natural world. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time and across the globe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more incredible animal facts. Share in the comments which animal's size surprised you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world around us.